What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and to another video. If you're not subscribed to the channel already, go down below, hit that subscribe button. I'm currently stuck in LA traffic, so I figured this would be a perfect time to start off the vlog. I'm headed to Rancho Chimongo to shoot with the guy that hit me up on Instagram. I believe his name was Adam. He really wanted to take some photos of my FRS, so it's about an hour and a half away. Guessing with traffic, it's gonna be about an hour and a half. Yeah, let's head there. I got the Ronin S with me, so I want to test it out a little bit more, see if I can get the hang of some cinematic shots for you guys. Enjoy this little video edit that's about to come. How's it going?
Nice. Does that thing raise up?
It does, yeah, it's on airlift.
Yeah, I was gonna say, you don't really look like you have much clearance there.
Yeah, definitely not. No, it's on air ride, so it can raise up and down. Yeah, it's pretty handy.
Nice.
Thank you.
I bet it handles really well.
It does. Yeah, it handles pretty good. I like it.
Yeah, I could see why you would. So where do you keep the stick at?
The what?
The stick. How do you protect yourself from the women? Shit, you gotta have a stick
Oh,
or something, don't you?
You got it in the back seat.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
okay,
it's in the back seat.
Great. All right, man. Yeah, you guys have a good one.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Have a good one.
Later.
Same dude that honked at us before. Jealous motherfucker. What was that?
I just said some people can't take a joke.
Yeah, no kidding, right?
Actually, jealousy is probably more like it, but
Yeah, I wouldn't doubt it.
you know, drive asses. Ah!
You want a photo shoot of your Jeep here?
You wanna who?
Said you want some photos of your Jeep?
Shit, no. Actually, well, I'm gonna either have to get out or park a little bit different.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I'm trying to make up my mind which one I want to do. Just said, fuck it, I'll block the road. What we gonna do, huh?
Yeah, just block the road, get the shot.
Gotta get the money shot, man.
Yeah, definitely. This is fucking funny. It's like, fuck it, I'll just block the road, gotta get the money shot. Hey, got patrol out here. Damn, bro, you illegal as fuck. About to give this guy a ticket. Don't make me give you a ticket!
Oh yeah, go ahead.
Oh man, those are the kind of guys I like. That's dope. Yeah. Oh, it's on air. It's on bags, so it goes up and down.
Damn, it looks super nice.
Thank you, man. I appreciate that. See you later, man. That cop was hella cool. Hella cool. Any more cops like that in Kelly, boys? Overall, that was a very successful shoot. Mad shout out to that hella cool patrol, hella cool cop, whatever he was. Guy was hella chill with us taking photos in the middle of the road. He even stopped, blocked traffic to take his own shot of the car, so that's pretty dope. A few nights ago, I shot with another guy on Instagram. You guys have seen him on the channel before. He goes by the IG handle of Devin. He ended up making a hella sick video edit of my FRS, so I'm actually gonna play that right now. I hope you guys enjoyed that little video edit shot by DeBreezy. Like I said earlier, go follow him on Instagram. Hell of a talented guy. I'm now out in Huntington Beach, waiting on another photographer slash videographer. I'm not sure if he's doing photos or videos of the car, but I figured while I'm waiting, I'm gonna address a very common question I get about my FRS. Damn, that's so bright. So as you guys know, the car looks fast, right? At least I would think so. The car is absolutely beautiful looking. It looks very fast. And the question I get all the time is, when are you gonna boost the car, or are you gonna boost it ever? Now, of course I wanna boost the car. Like, who wouldn't want a wide body, bagged, boosted FRS or BRZ? That'd be absolutely amazing. Oh wow, my front fender is like popping way the fuck out. That'd be absolutely amazing, but here's the thing. I have my built Evo 10, I'm currently building my Evo 8. Is it worth to dump $5,000-ish into this car right here, into the motor build, slash turbo kit? I would guess it would be around $5,000 to get this thing boosted for like everything I need. The turbo kit, injectors, fuel pump. I probably need a new clutch as well. And what would that get me at? Like 300-ish horsepower? In my opinion, as of right now, it's not worth it. Now, if I can get a used kit in the future or get some sort of sponsorship deal like I've been trying, then I will go ahead and boost the car. But as of right now, I'm not gonna boost the car, just because it's not really worth to put the money into this car and not make that much power when I could put it into one of my Evos and make way more power, way more bang for your buck. I hope that kind of answers the question. Since I get asked that so frequently, I've never really gave you guys a straight answer. As of right now, no, I'm not gonna boost it. If I can get a used kit or a sponsorship deal in the future, yes, I will of course boost it. Hope that answers your question. All right, so to end this video, I figured I'd do a little Q&A, so I put it on my Instagram story for you guys to ask me some questions. Oh, what's up? You wanna do my Q&A?
Yeah.
I'm gonna answer like 2 or 3, and then he can answer like 2 or 3 on his. Okay, so the first question I'm gonna answer is by Low-Key Eurocrap. He's wondering why I'm selling so many parts off my FRS. The reason is because it's pretty much winter time and the car is gonna get changed up a little bit. It's kind of getting boring how it is. It's been that way for a while now. So yeah, I'm selling like the wheels, taillights. Oh my god, that fucking thing's gonna drive me crazy. What else am I selling? I think that's about it. I'm not selling that much stuff off of it. How long have you had your Evo 10? I've had my Evo for like a year and a half now. I think maybe almost 2 years. I kind of started my whole YouTube thing with that Evo 10, so I would say it's been about 2 years. And that kind of leads me to the next question. How long have you had your YouTube channel for? That is like right at exactly 2 years, I think. Most disappointing part of meeting large YouTubers. The most disappointing part of meeting big YouTubers, I feel like some people just have like a switch. They flip when the camera goes on, and they're like, when you meet them, they're not the same person as they are like when they're on camera. And that's like really disappointing to me, because a few people that I've met in like the YouTube scene, when I see them, they're like nothing what they are on camera. It's just hella disappointing, because I kind of looked up to them, but now it's like you're not even the same fucking person. So
They're not always different in a bad way.
yeah,
It's just like sometimes they're quieter than they are on YouTube, or sometimes they're more reserved. I guess it's the same thing.
yeah.
Everyone's different when the camera turns on.
Are you?
I feel like I am.
Really?
You're not.
I try not to be like at all. Yeah, I can see why. Videos are so fucking boring if you're just like boring, like as a person. So I mean, if you're a boring ass motherfucker and then you turn the camera on, of course you gotta be energetic, but I don't know, it's just weird like meeting people that fucking are hella boring. Alright, one more question. I'm gonna ask you a question.
Here, ask me a question.
Yeah. Okay, this is a good one for you. What are your thoughts on rep wheels, and would you ever run rep wheels?
I don't really care.
Yeah.
Like, if that's all you can afford and they look good, whatever. Like, I had X6Rs in my last car.
Yeah.
And I broke 3 of them, but it was like $100 to replace.
Exactly.
And it's not like they shattered while I was driving. Like, it was just like a crack from hitting a really big pothole.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. Just get what you can afford and what you like.
Yeah.
There's no such thing as fake wheels. Like, it still gets you around.
I know. That's kind of the thing with the wheels, is they always fit, right? Like other replica parts, say bumpers or skirts or some shit like that, like stuff's not gonna fit, right? But rep wheels are gonna fit the car just fine. And they're not, obviously not gonna be as durable as like a real forged wheel, but if that's all you can afford at the time, like.
But like, if they look good, like XXR like 530s, like they look awesome.
I've ran those so many times.
I know, that's what I had on my old car.
Like XXR.
And I loved them, and they fit like the fitment and like sizing was all perfect.
Yeah. And then they're cheap as fuck to replace.
Yeah, if you break one, it's $100 shipped to your door. Like instead of now my wheels, if I even curb one, like I'm like shoot.
What is like 600?
Yeah, there goes. I need $600 to go get one, like one wheel.
Yeah.
If it was an XXR, I'd be like, oh, $100, boom, curb gone.
Exactly.
Curb out should be
I've
gone.
never actually broken an XXR. Here's actually a good way to put it. I would run rep wheels on people's cars that can't fucking drive. That's why Bobby only gets rep wheels, because I think 3 or 4 of her last wheels were curved, and then on this new set, like Bobby, I know you're watching this and you're not a bad driver. You just aren't careful, like coming next to curbs, and they're so cheap to replace. Her whole new set is like $900 for like 19 by 11s, cheap as fuck. But then if you have like a VSXX or something, it's like, oh, there goes $4 grand. Alright guys, that was gonna be it for this video. Really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go down below and smash that thumbs up button. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to the channel, I would highly recommend subscribing. I'll be back in Spokane and back working on cars. I actually have a really funny surprise for you guys tomorrow. Or yeah, maybe probably tomorrow. But I'll be back in Spokane working on cars in a few days. I'll only be back home for 4 or 5 days, and then we're taking off to Hawaii. But make sure you guys stay tuned for tomorrow's video. I ended up buying something down here that is pretty dope. So keep an eye out on the channel for that. I'll see you guys then.